OSDC sheet order select. We have an Excel sheet full of animals, and we are going to select some for output. We have a chameleon, a fox, and a rabbit for the first three. We have some other animals, and we have a sloth on the 16th sheet. So we will pick the first three in the 16th sheets. We use SBCCMD-D for the input animal doc, -O for our output selected animals, PDF, and we will use the XLS sheet order select parameter. We'll put our selected sheets in quotes. 1-3, 16. This will complete the selection. Our selected sheets have now been output to PDF. And if we go to the top, we have the chameleon, fox, rabbit, and then the sloth, in the exact order we selected them.